Want to know if your marketing emails are actually working? Today, I'll walk you through a foolproof way to analyze your email campaign performance in Hubspot, the full 2025 guide. Whether you're aiming for higher open rates, better click-throughs, or just understanding what's driving results, this quick guide will give you everything you need. Once your email campaign is sent, the real game begins, analyzing its performance. Let's start by logging into your HubSpot dashboard. Head to the Marketing tab, then select Email. Here you'll see all your sent campaigns listed. Click on the campaign you want to analyze. Right away, HubSpot gives you a clear overview of key metrics. Open rate. This shows how many people opened your email. A low open rate may mean your subject line or send time needs improvement. Click-through rate, CTR. This tells you how engaging your content is. Higher clicks mean your call to action is effective. Bounce rate. Pay attention here. A high bounce rate can hurt your sender reputation. Unsubscribes and spam reports. These are warning signals that your content or frequency may need tweaking. Now, let's dive deeper. Go to the Recipient Activity tab. This shows exactly who opened, clicked, or ignored your email. You can segment this list to identify your most engaged audience or those who need re-engagement. Another powerful section is Click Map or Heat Map View. This visually shows where people clicked within your email. If most clicks are happening on a secondary link and not your main CTA, that's a sign to restructure your content flow. Want to see the bigger picture? Go to your email analytics dashboard. Filter by date ranges or compare multiple campaigns side by side. Look for trends over time. Are your open rates improving? Which subject lines got the most engagement? What days and times perform best for your audience? Finally, use these insights to optimize your future campaigns. Adjust your subject lines, refine your audience segments, test different send times, or even experiment with A/B testing to find what resonates best. And that's how you analyze your marketing email campaign performance in HubSpot. By consistently reviewing these metrics, you'll turn your email marketing from a guessing game into a data-driven powerhouse. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments what email metric you track the most.